Accept. She accepted the job offer. Achieve. He achieved his goal. Add. Please add some sugar to the tea. Admire. I admire your courage. Advise. The doctor advised rest. Admit. He admitted his mistake. Allow. She allowed me to use her phone. Apologize. I apologize for the mistake. Appreciate. I appreciate your help. Argue. They argued about money. Arrive. She arrived on time. Ask. He asked a question. Assist. I assisted her with homework. Attack. The dog attacked the thief. Bake. She baked a chocolate cake. Bang. He banged the door loudly. Bathe. The baby is bathing. Beat. They beat the drums. Begin. The class begins at 9 a.m. Behave. Please behave properly. Believe. I believe in hard work. Belong. This bag belongs to me. Bend. He bent the metal rod. Bite. The snake bit him. Blame. Don't blame others. Bleed. His finger is bleeding. Blow. The wind blew strongly. Boil. Please boil some water. Borrow. Can I borrow your pen? Bounce. The ball bounced high. Bow. He bowed before the king. Break. Don't break the glass. Bring. Bring me some water. Build. They built a house. Burn. The fire burned brightly. Buy. She bought a new phone. Call. He called his friend. Care. She cares for her family. Carry. Carry this bag for me. Catch. Catch the ball. Chase. The dog chased the cat.